Let's move to future perfect continuous tense. Okay. So future perfect continuous tense we use to express actions that will continue up until a point in the future. Means those actions which will start in the future and it will continue for a long period of time in the future. That we can express in what? Future perfect continuous tense. Okay. See, we use the future perfect continuous tense to show that something will continue up until a particular event or time in the future. Okay, clear? See, for example, for 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, and since Friday, okay, are all durations which can be used with the future perfect continuous tense. Okay, so in future perfect continuous tense, we use this to express actions that will continue up until a point in the future. We can use duration of time in this tense also. Okay, for 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, like that we can use in this future perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now, how to construct a sentence in future perfect continuous tense? How to construct a sentence? See here, you can see the format. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus verb ing form. We should use to construct a sentence in what? Future perfect continuous tense. Okay. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus ing form of the verb we can use. Okay. Clear? So now let's move to one example. Okay. Example. See, they will have been preparing for the examination. Preparing for the examination. Examination what? For 2 days. We can say for 2 days. Okay. So this is the duration of time. Okay. For 2 days. See here, I used subject they and will have plus been ing form of the verb preparing. They will have been preparing for the examination for 2 days. Okay. See here, they will start to prepare their examination in the future. Okay, and that preparation will last for a period of time, that is for 2 days. Okay, they will have been preparing for the examination for 2 days, means it is the period of time. For 2 days they will have been preparing for the examination. Okay, clear? Now let's move to one more example. I shall have been solving the problems what? Since morning. Okay. So here you have one more example. What is? I shall have been solving the problems since morning. So what? I will start to solve the problems. Okay, and that action will continue for a long period of time. Okay, from morning I will start to solve the problems. Okay, so I shall have been, I with subject I used what? Helping verb shall and have plus been plus ing form of the verb solving. I shall have been solving the problem since morning. Okay, clear? So what? To express actions that will continue up until a point in the future, we can use future perfect continuous tense. Okay, means we use the future perfect continuous to show that something will continue up until a particular event or time in the future. Okay, clear? And we can use durations like for 5 minutes, for 2 weeks, and since Friday, like these durations which can be used with the future perfect continuous tense. Okay, means an action will start in the future and that will continue for a long period of time, that we can express in future perfect continuous tense. And to express those we can use durations also, like for 5 minutes, for 2 days, like durations also we can use in future perfect continuous tense. Okay, and to construct a sentence in future perfect continuous tense, we should use this format: subject plus, will or shall plus, have plus, been plus ing form of the verb. Okay, so this one you should study by heart. Okay, then only it will be easy for you, right? And example, they will have been preparing for the examination for 2 days. Hmm? I shall have been solving the problem since morning. Okay, so all these are examples for future perfect continuous tense. So I'd like to tell you one more thing, that these like formats have every tense, right? Every tense, every divisions of tense, each and every divisions of tense have this like a format to construct sentences in each tense, right? So those construction, those format you should study by heart, then only the tense will be easy for you, and the uses also you should have to study by heart. Okay, so hope it is clear for you, future perfect continuous tense. So if you have any doubt, you please contact me. Okay.